13 ways to make networking lucky. Number 1, make sure you take plenty of business cards. I know the world's gone digital, but giving somebody a card with your details is still a powerful way of making sure they leave with your information. Number 2, get a list of everybody who's going to be at the event that you're going to and pick the people that you think are most likely to use your services or most likely to be able to refer you to people who can use your services. Step 3, set some goals for the meeting. Know who it is you're going to speak to. Know what it is you want to get from the meeting, whether it's business or referral. No plan equals no result. 4, go prepared. Often at these events, you have to say a 60-second pitch. Know what you're going to say. Tell people what you do, why it adds value, and exactly the sort of work you're looking for. Step 5, try and fulfill your objectives as early in the meeting as you can. If you leave it till the last 5 or 10 minutes, the people you want to speak to might have already left, or you might not get to talk to them. Step 6, watch the time. If you're the person that turns up to these events at the last minute and it's out the door the minute it ends, you're going to significantly reduce your networking opportunities. Be the first there and the last to leave, and maximise your opportunity to mix with and talk to as many people as you can. Step 7, come prepared, look your best, walk the walk, talk the talk. Number 8, attend regularly. If you turn up to an event once and you expect to get loads of results, you're sadly mistaken. Give any event you attend
6 months later
of regular attendance to bear some fruit. Number 9, it's all about trust. Rather than trying to sell at every single event, focus on getting to know people and building trust, and the results will come. Number 10, give. Be the generous one who gives advice, referrals, help in any way you can, and before you know it, the universe will pay you back tenfold. Number 11, remember to say thank you. Whenever you get some business or a contact, make sure you drop them a line just to say thank you. Number 12, keep the contact going outside of the networking meetings. Maybe even go and have a coffee with them. The quicker you can build that light and trust, the quicker you'll get work. And lastly, number 13, go there, have fun, keep in contact with your contacts, and before you know it, you'll be drowning in work. Happy networking.